So this is my chessboard project, and first let's look at the output, the input. So here I've got the title, and yeah, this is all like the questions that are for the input to answer to, and in between for questions that are, like, include colors, I put an indicator for the color, like a color wheel, so they can use that. This one. And over here, this part of the code like defines the variable as a post variable, so that it can be used within the code, such as here, where this is the border size, border color, all that stuff. And here is the CSS for the SVG of the chessboard, and here I use div for that, and I use that over here as well. And over here, I just reflected what the user inputs, so they can see what they put. And here's the output. So if I enter my name, let's choose dark color, let's choose purple. It's 140. It's light color, purple and yellow. So the color is in the form of RGB, which is red, green, and blue. And the border size I'll put as 5. And border color, the X position is how far the chessboard goes to the right. So I'll put, let's try 200. Generate. So I chose purple as a dark color, yellow as a light color, and the border is black. And all my inputs were shown here.